Large numbers of protesters from the Meitei and Naga communities staged a sit-in protest today at Tribal Market, New Chekon in Imphal East District, raising a 5-point charter of demands. These demands include justice for the recent brutal murder of 6 Naga hostages, the abrogation of the Sioux Pact, an immediate end to the alleged proxy war in the state, the declaration of the KNFP as a terrorist organization, the removal of Nemjakibyan from the post of Deputy CM, and the eviction of unauthorized villages. Speaking on the sidelines, Amuko President Sorokhaibam Sanjoy questioned the purpose of deploying large numbers of central security forces in the state when they have miserably failed to control the ongoing unrest. He alleged that the central security forces could not prevent suspected cookie perpetrators from setting fire to civilians' houses. He also criticized the behavior shown by the forces to the Lok Sabha MP during his inspection visit to the site in Kantu Sabal, calling it condemnable. Sanjoy slammed elected representatives for remaining mute spectators to the current crisis, warning that the general public might soon direct their anger at them if they continue to remain inactive, instead of taking up the matter aggressively with central government leaders.
Kanto Sabal Togiba Yung Taruk Maitharibado, Army, Defense Amadi, Home Amadi Central Security Corps, Anigi Marka Toko Tabukne, Sali of Masingado. Masina Takpadi, Central Government, Su Amadi Nansu, Militant Singbu, support of the training people the Natana, salary people the Natana, Makoi Pogoda, Maitava Amadi Mi Atpada, Sao Yo MCD, Opal or Wapone. Maramaduna, Government Indiana Pudakta. Asugumlaba Pangdo Watosing proxy wars in a lepadabni, Adu Loinana is that government so Nato Masak Kangna government among Ibigi, nothing Pudokna, Landam Asigi Miam Amadi Praza Sindi, Fundamental right, Punama Kangadabni,